I would get a car wash and do a review of the car wash. There it is. L Car Wash. Okay. Vacuums are free. Please vacuum before washing car. Okay. And then there's all the people lined up vacuuming. It's a handicap spot, so. The sign says, buy 4 washes, get 1 free. And, so let's see what I can do here.
I got to a point, I had told 2 people, I said, I'm exhausted with complaining. I'm actually done. How you doing? I'm actually done.
That's a $3 wash every day from 8 a.m. ¿Cómo hago? ¿Cómo se hace? ¿Compro un bolito?
No.
¿Entro nomás?
Sí, aquí se pone aquí en un estacionamiento si quiere hacer vacuum, que es free.
Sí, ya lo pasé.
Entonces,
Y ahora...
pasa por allí y ya la muchacha allí le cobra.
Ah, me cobran ahí nomás. ¿Y aceptan tarjeta de crédito?
Sí, crédito, débito, cash.
Ah, bueno,
Le dan
gracias.
cambio.
Ah, bueno, mejor. Gracias. Okay, so I just get online and pay. So, I just get online and pay, apparently. I'll just get the basic. And I guess I can pay cash, so. Okay. Hi there. I'll get just the basic.
If you have a coupon, one ticket, or prepaid card, scan it on the barcode reader now.
Oh, okay.
Please pay with either credit card or cash.
Oh, it's the machine. Okay, you run the machine. And then how do I prove, now after 4 washes I get 1 free?
That's a gift card. You have to buy the 4 at a time.
Oh, and then I get,
card with the card.
oh, okay, for next time.
Your change is being issued.
Thank you.
Thanks. All right.
Please wait while your receipt is being printed.
Oh, I gotta roll up the,
Order for your business.
okay, so here we go. Ah! Hang on a second. It's hard to film with the stick shift. Lord have mercy. Could you let me in? I crashed. All right, here we go. All right. So, I guess the guys are going to tell me what to do. All right, so they're guiding me here. This way. Okay, the guys. Right there, and now I go straight. Oh, he's telling me. That's nice. Okay. And I just make sure all the windows are up. Okay. Okay. Put the car in neutral. Feet off the pedals. Hands off the wheel. All right. And now he's sending me through. Okay, and that's the express wash. See, that's telling me what I'm getting. So, oh, here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, here we go. All right. I'm not sure what is being seen. Now I can film. So my hands are off the wheel. The car's in neutral. I wonder if I need to turn it off. I wonder if I should turn the car off. Okay. Oh, it's, woo, it's kind of freaky. It's a little spooky. All right, so there's this. That's the front of the car. And those loop around to the back. This looks like I'm getting eaten up by an octopus. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I went to the Shell last week. It wasn't quite as scary. Okay, now I'm getting hot wax and shine apparently, but I don't know if I'm getting that because this is the basic. Okay, why don't I just stop talking? Yeah, that last part was a little scary. It's not for the first part. Oh, what is that? Oh my gosh. Okay. Okie dokie. Alright, I'm getting spritzed with something. This really feels weird. This is not like the Shell. The Shell was kind of cool. I'll do that next week. Okay, now there's the rinse. Back there. roof. So it's the roof. And I guess I gotta put the car in drive now. It's nice and shiny. I'll just dry it off a little with some paper towels that I have in the back. So see, the air didn't quite dry the back, but that's okay. I'll just, oh, look what they did. I guess they put this on. I didn't see them do that to protect. I didn't put that plastic bag on. So I guess they did it to protect the windshield wiper. The front one looks good. Mostly it's dry except the back. The back doesn't get really dry. Let's see, there's a lot of wetness here on the back of the car. Here. Better close that. The sides are pretty dry. But yeah, what I should have done is bring a rag with me. I didn't think to do that. I just have some of these paper towels. Because what happens if you don't dry the car off after, it leaves spotting. So I have El Car Wash. Was really worth it. $3 for vacuum and a basic wash. And a blow drying, which leaves the car with some spots. So you have to then wipe it down a bit, mostly in the back. The rest of the car was pretty much dry. A little in the back, a little on the mirrors, the side mirrors. And that's it. So good deal, El Car Wash.